So today we're making a pizza hot pocket. And so what I have is some puff pastry here. This is one box that I opened up. Geez, I tell you, everything at the store is costing more and you're getting less. So this is all that came in my one box of puff pastry. And I have some mozzarella cheese here that I'm going to slice up. And some pepperoni, some turkey pepperoni. And some sauce. And I'm going to grate some Parmesan to add to it. So I'm going to grate our Parmesan so we could put that with our mozzarella that I've sliced up. Our pepperoni is here. And we have our sauce. So we can have our pizza hot pocket. And I am using a puff pastry to make our hot pockets. So we can have that flakiness and that nice rich taste. And here's our vitamin content for puff pastry: B3, B9, K, iron, and magnesium, pizza sauce, vitamin C, pepperoni, B12, D, E, K, mozzarella cheese, C, folate and potassium, and Parmesan, A, B6, and B12. You can make it this way. So I cut our puff pastry into 4 pieces, which is really going to give you just 2 puff pastries. So a little salt here. Try to not put anything on your edges. Try to keep everything centered here. Your cheese. Your pepperoni. Turkey pepperoni. Or you can get regular pepperoni, that's what you choose, that's what you like. A little bit more cheese here. A little sprinkle of garlic. Some Parmesan that I shredded, freshly Parmesan. Let's put our hot pocket piece on top of it. So you want to close the ends with your fingers first. And then we will use a fork. Or this way if you like. Okay, we're going to fold this over here. And just kind of pinch this. And then we'll use our fork to close it up. Here are our list of ingredients. Okay, I just put a little garlic on it. So this is just my mozzarella, my pepperoni, a little garlic, some more mozzarella. Everything's always better, cheesier. And some Parmesan that I grated. We will add our top to it. Then we're going to crimp it with our fork. I just have a really big spatula. And you want to add some parchment paper so it doesn't stick. We're going to bake this in an oven on 400 for about 20-25 minutes till it turns golden brown and inside the crust is cooked. So I am brushing our puff pastry with some butter and parsley. It's a hot pocket made out of puff pastry. Did you know the numbers of food insecure seniors has increased by 65%? Here is our pizza hot pocket. And we have our resident taste tester, Gio, who's going to let us know how it turned out.
Well, I haven't had a hot pocket in a long time, so it should be good. Tastes pretty similar. You know, the crunchy from the crust goes very well with the nice melted cheese and the pepperoni. It all blends together real nice. And with the added parsley too on top, gives a nice little flavor with the butter and a nice crust.
Okay, so I am going to break open our, oh my gosh, look at this cheese pull, guys. Divine. Oh my gosh. This is divine. This is not your ordinary puff pastry, nor your ordinary hot pocket. We coat it with a little bit of butter and parsley and sprinkle some fresh Parmesan, some shaved Parmesan on it. With the flakiness of the crust, which is way better than the crust from the hot pocket. It's totally delicious. You have that nice pizza taste of the turkey pepperoni and the mozzarella cheese and a little bit of the garlic as our seasoning. Absolutely delicious. This would be great for you to make for your children, even yourself for like a girls' night out, that you can have your friends over and do this. Definitely give this a try. Oh, the flakiness is divine. So thank you for hanging out with us today. We really appreciate it. Come back and hang out with us again and see what else we're cooking up. Love you guys. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.